Now your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
76-degree air temperature, dew point to match, 100% relative humidity consequently. And we have an east wind that blows at about 8. That east wind, again, kind of instrumental to the forecast for this afternoon as we drive the moisture, drive the convergence zones from the other coast into our area, firing off those showers and thunderstorms later in the afternoon at time of maximum heating. To start with, things will be pretty quiet as they are right now. About a 10% chance of an isolated shower, mostly in inland areas. And then as we head into the noontime hour, we'll start to ramp it up as temperatures start to climb into the upper 80s. We'll top it out probably at around 92 for a daytime high. And by 3 p.m., about a 60% chance of some showers and thunderstorms around. Those will linger into the evening hours, as we have seen over the last several days. So there's Gordon. Gordon, a kind of ragged system. It has more of the comma shape of a extratropical system, not so much a compact center eye wall of a tropical system. That's because it's already weakening, the wind field expanding, and it's in the process eventually of becoming extratropical, as it probably will later in the day. Just a remnant low, which will eventually merge with a frontal boundary and be whisked away in pretty short order. Nevertheless, until then, chances of some coastal flooding are possible, low-lying flooding particularly. Nothing really all that serious because the storm system is moving at a pretty good clip. So across our region, things are quiet, but we do have some showers in progress over on the other coast because of the easterly wind flow. You can make that out by the direction of motion of those radar echoes. Quiet conditions across our region, just a few little areas that are highlighted in green. Those are our river warnings that we've had for about a week and a half now. That'll continue on through the weekend. High pressure, the dominant weather feature across the eastern seaboard, bringing us that easterly wind flow. Gordon continues to drift away from us, and we are left basically with the same sort of summertime pattern that we have come to know very well over the last 2 weeks or so since we've gotten rid of the west wind. That easterly wind flow combines with our sea breeze front to produce the showers and thunderstorms that bring us that good chance of afternoon storms. Dry mornings, though, and that's true right into the weekend. So if you have an early tea time this weekend or any time this week, why should not be a problem. And of course, we're watching the far tropics. Red tide status, pretty good news here. As of yesterday, Mote Marine observers at area beaches indicate, well, a couple of green flags indicating no kind of irritation in the air from red tide. That's true at Manasota Beach, and that was true at Holmes Beach as well. And then other locations just showing low amounts in the air. That east wind really helping out, pushing those toxic aerosols out into Gulf waters. East wind comes in at about 10 knots over the course of the afternoon. That will bring you 2-foot seas and a light chop on your bay and inland water. And the forecast looks like this. We're looking at 92 for a temperature today and probably about the same tomorrow. Both days featuring about a 60% chance of rainfall. And then as we head into the weekend, we'll probably trim down rain chances just a little bit Saturday or Sunday because of some drier air moving in. We'll call it Sunday for now. And that will probably linger into the beginning of next work week. And into the middle of next week, we'll start to ramp up those chances for rainfall again as we watch the far tropics for any kind of possible tropical development there.